Getting to $1 million in funded capital took me over 8 years of trial and error. But if I had to start from zero today and do it all over again in 12 months, this is exactly how I would do it. So most traders out there don't actually tell you or show you all the failure they had to go through to get where they are today. And still to this day, most traders that are out there don't actually trade, and all they do these days is pretty much create a course, and even though they literally can't trade themselves or don't trade, they still sell that course to the people, and that's exactly how they make money. However, real traders like myself, I can call myself a real trader. When I first started over 8 years ago now, it was my first year of sixth form, there was many issues I had to face to get where I am today. The main issue was keep retopping my account without a valid strategy, copying other signal providers that don't actually trade and are there only for the commission money, and not enough knowledge in the markets. So what I kept doing is redepositing my account, a personal account that I had with multiple different brokers, and what I tried to do is pretty much flip the accounts. Didn't know anything about lot sizes, how to work out risk, how much to risk per account, didn't have anything to plan, and I just went there straight into the market with literally zero knowledge, trying to make money from trading. However, what actually gave me the hint in my life that this will be for me is the exact thought and motivation to where I never want to give up. And in my heart, from day one of starting trading, I knew this was it. I knew this was the path for me and the path that I have to follow for the rest of my life and never give up until I fucking succeed. I had multiple times where I had to learn from my lessons. The main one being when I first lost £6,000 of real money in my personal account. Went from 6,000 completely zero blown account, was literally having a strategy that works and backtesting it to make sure that it actually has proven results. Number two, another losing day for me was on my first funded account that I ever passed, which was a 100k account. I had $1,000 in profit on that, and the way and why I actually lost the account, I actually lost not only the account but also lost all my profit and didn't get a payout, was because of greed and over trading. So how it all started is once I made the 8k, I wanted more, and what happened was I kept entering the market into little scalps trying to make more money, and it literally went to 5k, 4k, 3k, 2k, and then at one point I was just like, I can't be asked. So I risked all my money to make all my money back, and I ended up actually losing all my money and losing the account as well. With trading, as with anything, the main thing that you guys need to focus on there and literally train your brain is psychology. The emotions when it comes to trading. When you sit on that market, you wait for either London session or New York session, and you're waiting before the market opens, being scared to either enter a trade, or when you do lose a trade, going back into the market trying to chase that loss back. That's exactly where most beginner traders fail, is over trading, really bad psychology in the market, and let their emotions get in the way between them and the charts. So if I was going to tell someone a phase by phase breakdown of how to get from zero to $1 million in successful funding, this is exactly how I would start. Number one would be mastering only one strategy. There are so many traders out there that try to master multiple strategies and they all put that into one, and that's exactly where it blows up, because they're looking for too many confluences, they're looking at too many things, the charts are messy because they've got too many things going on in the head and on the charts as well. So remember to always master to one strategy that has proven to you that it works and it's got proven results. Number two would be starting from a low account. Now, if you can't pass the 10k account, there's no reason why in any way you would pass a 100k account. So start small, start the 100k. Once you're getting consistent payouts on that account and you actually passed it and you feel confident and you gain some profit from that account, from there you can then move your big accounts starting from 50k and working your way up. That's exactly what I did. After my losing day of losing $8,000 on my 100k account, I went back to phase one. I started with a 10k account, I brought multiple 10k accounts, made sure I was consistent, made sure I was getting payouts. From there, what I did then is I saved all that money from this payouts and managed to get 50k funded. It took me a little 1, 2, 3 tries, but that's normal depending on market conditions. As you know, with prop firms, they have very strict rules, so market conditions always have to come in handy when trying to pass these accounts. What this also does when you start with low accounts like a 10k is you're managing your psychological pressure. Now, what I mean by that is when you're trading a 10k account, you'll see much less bigger numbers compared to trading a 100k or a 200k account too. Now, the main one is phase three would be pretty much how you manage your losses on each of the accounts that you have. For example, 3-5 accounts and 2 or 3 of them are in drawdown. How do you manage the psychological sort of effect which it plays on you knowing that you got these accounts in drawdown? Well, it's pretty much simple. What you want to do is the accounts that are in profit, get those profit out. When the new payout cycle comes in play, what you need to do is focus on one account that's in drawdown and get the account back to pretty much break even, and then leave that account there for the next following payout cycle. Now you want to do this for all the accounts. That way when you come to the new payout cycle, you'll have all accounts pretty much at break even, ready to go for a fresh payouts. Now the hardest part, literally scaling from let's say $0 to $1 million in funding, is actually trading alone. Now I know how hard it is because I've been through that journey myself, and I still remember those days where I sat in my room, I fucking cried, and I prayed to God for it to all just work out, just give me a sign or a hint that this is my life, this is what I need to focus on for the rest of my life. And that's exactly, guys, why I'm here to help you. I share my charts, I share my analysis, and sometimes I do share my trades entered by myself on my funded account as well. Now if you guys out there need any help, or you want to join my group to follow my analysis, follow my trades, and know exactly how many payouts I'm getting, what trades I'm taking, what profits I'm winning, what profits I'm passing, I'll leave the link to my Telegram, guys, down in the description. You can join the free group, pretty much just follow my journey, or if you're interested in getting funded, I can help you guys with that too, no problem at all. So what can I say when I end this video is pretty much never ever guys fucking give up, because I still remember to this day when I first started, and if I gave up back then, I would probably, well not probably, but 100% would not be where I am today. So guys, stay focused, keep learning, keep fucking trying, never fucking give up, just trust the process, and I promise you boys, you'll be living the dream life just how I want to live my dream life. Right now I'm in Colombia, as you can see in my background, enjoying my life peacefully. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to put in the description, guys, your hardest part, your trading journey. Comment down below, and I'll make sure you guys respond to every one of you guys. And also, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.